What is pink elephant?
Yeah, so pink elephant in the room is kind of a term and a saying that I often, speak of when I'm presenting to physicians or women. Uh, Particularly, I use it surrounding the issues of women who have breast cancer or at
Hmm.
high risk of breast cancer, because it's kind of like that elephant in the room that no one wants to deal with, because breast cancer survivors or patients dealing with breast cancer are using, medications that maybe lower their estrogen,
Hmm.
block their estrogen. They're going through early menopause, and no one's addressing this, looming big pink elephant in the room of what are we doing to manage the collateral damages of estrogen deficiency, because that's what it is in these women. But I also like to think of the pink elephant a bit more broadly, and for it to include really all of the most vulnerable women
Yeah.
in menopause, including other women, as we've spoken about, who are at risk of early menopause.
Why do you think there is such a pink elephant in the room when it comes to menopause in general, and especially with these groups that we're talking about in particular?
Well, as you discuss often, the lack of clinical education
Hmm.
in physicians and other clinicians in what the physiology of menopause is, and a lot of fears about breast cancer. I always mention that the number one reason why women and doctors are afraid to talk about hormone therapy is the fear of breast cancer. It's the
Yeah.
biggest barrier.